Today's topic is price prediction, right? Stock price prediction. It's a time series forecasting. So I don't know how many of you completed time series forecasting. If you guys have already learned time series forecasting, very good for you. You will see how we can do. We can leverage the machine learning algorithm ARIMA model, and we have to perform it. I'm going by typically ARIMA model today to predict the share market, but there are different company, they are using different approaches. In deep learning, my friend, the favorite thing is you can use either dart model or you can use lstm model. Yeah, I read some paper also. There are some company, they are using their own the algorithm, which they are not publicly published that paper. The reason is for sensitive data, or maybe some security reason or what, I don't know, but they have not shared. But these companies are amazing company, they are doing internal, they have own model. There are certain statistics tool there. If you guys able to see my system, there is a tool called blue sky statistics. Are you able to see that in my system?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is also one of the statistical tool where you can do time series forecasting. So this is just kind of automation tool, just like a Tableau. So you can just drag and drop the data set and you will get all kind of things. So if you wanted, you can go explore this thing. You can download Blue Sky Statistics, and believe me, this will give you a lots of insight. It's very good tool. I have used personally, so I recommend it. You guys go and explore it if you want. Other than whatever model you will learn in class, that it suffice to clear the interview. But this is very one of the interesting topic it is, I can say, and lots of things there that you have to learn. Okay, so I'm just expecting, my friend, all of you know time series forecasting. If you don't know, no need to worry, you can try to understand whatever I'm going to tell you. Definitely I will not go in depth, I'll just go in breadth model only. I'll give you high level perspective that what is all about. The detailed session you will get separate session, guys, very soon, maybe in the first week of September. The new batch will start, time series forecasting. You guys go join that batch and learn that part. You will get dedicated 14-hour session. Today
When it will start, sir, like if you are next week or
date I'm not sure. You can check with the Learnbay team, Imran or someone else. They will tell you, but it will
Weekday, sir.
I think it's
weekday
after
and
weekend.
weekend both. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to
So, and how many classes will be there for this time thing?
14-hour session you will get.
14 hours session.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So we'll discuss very deep dive. Okay. So
Hi.
there you have to learn. All right. So let me open the data set first. Okay, so this is the data set I have, guys. My friend, you can see what is the problem statement and agenda for today. One of the application of time series forecasting is to forecast the opening stock price, okay, closing stock price, volume of the stocks to be traded, etc. Right, on a daily basis, how much volume is there in the stock that is traded. Some people buying it, some people selling it. What is this? In this data driven world, many firms are trying to forecast the future behavior of the stock market. For this particular case study, we have the stock price data of Apple company from the Nasdaq stock exchange for some time period of 2018 to 19. I have a 5 years data, guys. You can go, I'll also teach you how you can go and fetch the data, and you have to perform it. If you have attended my session, especially in time series forecasting in deep learning classes or in machine learning also, so I already taught them that how they can go in the Tingo website and they can fetch the data, and there are some other source also there that is called data prep, and there they have to take the data. So I have taken these two. The reason is I'm using machine learning algorithm, ARIMA, SARIMA model and SARIMA X model. You can see with or without exogenous variable means extra variables. So ARIMA and ARIMA X, SARIMA and SARIMA X, I will use it and we'll compare this. Okay, so that's why I've taken 2 years. Now you will get opportunity, same data set, you can pick the Apple company or other company. I'm doing 2 years. You can take 2020 to 2023. Till here you will get the data set. Means today is a Saturday till Friday, right? A stock market, you know that, right? The data is coming from Monday to Friday. Or if you guys are working in corporate, the corporate office operate Monday to Friday only. Saturday, Sunday is considered as a holiday. So similar thing happen in a stock market. You will not get data on Saturday, Sunday or some of the holiday, right? If there is any holiday there, that day data will not come. So the calendar day you can say. So I have taken these 2 years data, guys. We are going to divide our data into training and test, right? So when you say training and test means it's not happen the 30% or 70% like that, guys. In time series, you will not split like that. Normally in machine learning, we have seen no test size equal to, we are writing test size equal to 25%, 0.25 or 30%. Yes or no? Here you will not do 30% and 70%. You always give the fixed number. Reason is, let's say we have total 13 variables there. If I ask you what is the 70% data, what is the 70% or 75% data is, right? What you will do? You will get in percentage value, right? 3 and 4, you can say 13 3 are 39 by 4. Will you get? You will get somewhere is 9.75. So is it possible you will get data is 9.75 in time series? No. You will not get, right? So always we have to go the integer number. You can say, okay, whatever the data is 13 data there, 10 data I will consider training and 3 data I will consider test data. That 10 also in the sequence order. It start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not that you can say training data would be 1, 3, 5, 7 alternate. No, you always take a data in sequence order. That is the thumb rule you have to remember. All right. So
first train, then test, right?
Train data and then test data. First go in sequence order training and then whatever left there you can consider test. So build our model on the training data, forecast for the test data timestamp, right? This is the timestamp. This is mandatory, guys. Whenever you perform time series forecasting, it's a mantra, my dear friend. Please remember, whenever you perform time series forecasting, there are certain prerequisites there, right? What are the prerequisite rules there? Every data should be numerical in nature, not in categorical nature. Please remember this. Except timestamp data. Timestamp is also numerical data, but a special kind of number. Can I say this is different kind of number?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But whatever your target variable there, that is not a categorical data. That should be numerical data. That is what you have to remember. Second rule, thumb rule number second. Data type is correct or not. You have to see whether my data is in sequence order or not. Whether date and time column is given or not given. Whether target variable is given or not given. You always have to check that part. It's a mantra. Okay, data type is correct or not. Meaning is date and time stamp should be there. Second, target variable would be numerical variable. How many target? It would be univariate. It would be multivariate. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 3, thumb rule number 3. There should not be any missing data in time series forecasting. If there is a missing data, you are not supposed to drop it. You have to impute them and then you have to try to build time series forecasting. Will you remember?
Yes, sir.
So how do we impute?
Whatever model you know that, right? Whatever rule you have learned in machine learning, mean or median, you have to go and use this.
It can be
Impute that.
break the trend, actually.
Can we break the
Trend, actually, if we are removing the data or null value. Right?
Correct. If you remove the null value, what happened? You are breaking the sequence, not trend, breaking the sequence order.
Sequence.
If you break the sequence, time series forecasting will not work. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There
Sir,
should
please
not
repeat
be
the univariate and multivariate point once again.
univariate. I said, my friend, I told you data type is correct or not. How you will know? First, we should have data time stamp data there. Stamps there. Okay, one variable is date and time. Second variable is what you want to predict. Okay, let's say I wanted to predict what is the opening price of share market. What is the closing price of share market? What is the volume in the share market? So can I say there are multiple variate? If more than one output target variable, that means that is multivariate.
Yes.
Yeah, if only one there, then that is called univariate. Whatever target variable you wanted to
Yes, sir.
predict, that should be numerical variable. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Any target variable you predict, make sure there is no missing data. If there is a missing data, first you have to impute and then you have to perform. Will you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thumb rule number 4. Data should be in the sequential order. Time series always in the ascending order. If someone is giving first 2019, then 2018, you have to arrange in a ascending order. Only then you have to perform. You don't arrange in a descending order, always ascending order. Will you remember? Because
Yes,
the
sir.
name suggests time series forecasting. Time means date stamp. Time, date, time stamp. That should be in the series format, means sequential order. How sequential order? Ascending order. Everybody, all my friend.
Yes, sir.
Thumb rule number 5. Whether data has trend or not, whether data has seasonality or not, whether data has error or not, whether data has abrupt changes or not, that part you have to check by the help of visualization. That also you have to do it. Will you remember? Whenever you get a time series data, you have to do a decomposition, see whether in my data set there is a trend there or not. If there is a trend there, you have to change your approach. You can apply the method, whether you can go by simple average model, moving average model, naive based model, simple regression model, halt model, winters model, halt and winter model, AR model, MA model, ARMA model, ARIMA model, SARIMA model, ARIMA X model, WAR model, and so on models. Are you with me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
5 rules clear? Will you remember? What are the
Yes.
rule I told you guys? Can you please repeat quickly?
It should be a ascending order.
Data should be in
There
sequential
should not
order.
be any missing value. If there is null value, we need to
Null
fill out.
values. No null values.
We have
There
to
should
impute
be a
first.
trend, whether there is trend or not.
Okay, that is perfect. Whether there is a trend, seasonality, or error or not. Good.
Timestamp.
Timestamp is mandatory.
Mandatory.
Target variable
All-
is mandatory. And all
All
target
should be
variables
in
should be
numerical.
numerical in nature.
Numerical.
This is the thumb rule. You have to do it. Whatever model you will do, my friend, please remember these things. Now come back to the topic. Okay, these are the mantra there, my friend. You have to remember now. Then evaluate using root mean square error. Okay, they are saying RMSE, you have to do it. We can go, mean absolute percent error also, but they have given RMSE, so you will go RMSE. But normally, mean absolute percent error is giving very good insight, right?
Yes.
It will tell you that if the 10% accuracy is there, that means your model is very good. 10% error rate there.
We can better understand by MAP.
MAP is
Percentage
giving very,
yeah.
very good, understanding. They will say
Better
if the data
understanding.
is less than 10%, then your
Good
model is
good
highly accurate, accurate, right? If the data is coming between 10 to 20%, then you can say good
average.
accuracy. It's not bad, it's a good accuracy. Good forecasting, not accuracy, forecasting. Okay, 20 to 50, 20 to 50, okay. Poor,
Average.
improvement is required. Okay,
Average.
average, you can say improvement required. You can't say my model they will ignore completely, but it's improvement required, guys, because time series is a very critical job, right?
Yes.
Your one action decide whether your client will continue the service with you, you will continue job in your company or not, your manager will stay or not. It's a very critical job, right? And less than 50%, guys, what you
Below
will do?
average.
What you
Poor.
will do? Put in the dustbin.
Yes.
Okay, nobody. It's a
Will
weak, inaccurate. Nobody entertain. They can just put in dustbin. They will think you are a fresher. Okay, so be proficient. Always your target right now. Focus is this. And when you become an experience and all, of course you will go this. But here they are saying root mean square error. So no problem. We'll go. Next. To following things we'll cover in this case study, we have to do exploratory data analysis. We have to build ARIMA-SARIMA model with or without exogenous variable. What is exogenous, guys? Means sometime your price is decided by only one factor. One factor. What is the, if you go and buy a house, you can say what is the room size? On that basis I will tell you the price. So only room size matters. This is called, my friend, you can say simply without exogenous. But sometime room price is not only decided by room size, also decided by location, also decided by, you know, some other factor, okay, also decided by parking space, also decided by society. So if these parameters also influence, then this is called with exogenous variables. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now, my dear friend, let me open the data set. Sham Chaudhary is saying, sir, please share this mantra in written. If I write, no, Sham, it will take lots of time, my friend. So it's a recording, no, you can just pause. Again, you watch and just make a note. Yeah. Otherwise, if I start writing, then
Yes.
it looks like a classroom session. So in class, I will teach you in very detailed deep dive. Here, just recording is there, everything, right? You can just pause and then you again watch it. By the way, you have to remember, no, very simple thing I said, data should be numeric, right? The first mantra is your target variable always, number value, numerical value. There should not be categorical variable. Second, I say my date and time stamp is mandatory. Yeah, your data type would be correct. Your data type would be in the sequence order or in ascending order. Next part, there should not be missing data. If there is a missing data, first you impute and then only you have to go. And then you have to see whether trend is there or not, seasonality is there or not, error is there or not. Is there any abrupt changes happen because of, the time frame, because of government gets changed, because of law gets changed? What is this? Is there any parameter there? So these are the things you have to see that. All right.
Sir, one small doubt.
Yes.
The imputation part of missing data will have to go with the nearest value.
Simple imputation, what you have learned, how to do data pre-processing, handle the missing value.
Median or mode. I mean,
median or
mean.
mode. Yeah.
Mean. Okay.
Mean.
Okay.
Okay. No need to use mice approach or KNN imputation. Not required. Simple mean
Okay.
median. You have to go and impute it.
Okay, fine. All right.
Yeah. No need to worry about that much too much.
If we have a lot of data, can we drop that particular
If
row
you
also?
drop, then you are doing crime.
Okay.
Time series dropping is just, I told you, no, this is mantra.
Okay.
Missing data, you have to impute, don't drop it.
Okay.
If there is lots of data there, don't forecast. Inform your client. Ask them, please give the data. Otherwise, whatever data available, I will forecast that one only.
Okay, fine. All right. Okay.
Simple thumb rule. Time
Okay.
series will not, entertain missing data or drop data and all.
All right, sir.
Why we are doing forecasting, guys? What is the reason?
To predict the
To predict the value, future.
Client requirement.
Client requirement, predict future. Why we are doing?
Predict the future. Forecasting.
Just think, no, if you are doing a business, my
to
friend,
increase our
what
profitability.
happened tomorrow? You are operating under risk or not?
Yes.
If you are doing a business, your business is You know what happened tomorrow. It's completely uncertainty or not, guys.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So every organization, please remember, every organization, including a startup, including you will operate a business, right? That operates under risk. If there is no risk, don't do forecasting then. So my friend, every organization faces internal and external risk, right? Such as you can say high competitions there. There are lots of failure in the technology happen. There are lots of inflation, right? Suddenly inflation came. Your sales value get decreased because the price is very high. Possible or not possible?
Yes.
Suddenly, no, recently tomatoes price is more than 200 something. Yeah. So what happened? Inflation, no, food inflation is very, very high. Then if the inflation is high, demand is less or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, demand get, people they want
Down.
it, but they down. So because of inflation, because of recession, also one of the reason, guys. Recession comes, what happened first thing first in organization?
Job loss.
Job loss or not? If there are 100 employee earlier working, the company will say 50 employee will work. 50%, I will shift it somewhere else. Whether you have to stretch, whether you have to do, how efficient you are, people are not actually efficient, right? They are getting a job and they are very reluctant.
To decrease
So,
their pool actually.
yeah, that is what the hiring get stopped. No hiring happen. Yeah, anybody see the any redundant stops there? So
Yeah.
in any recessions there, change, no government, they are changing the rule, changing the constitution, right? The whatever the articles there. Yeah, suddenly government get changed, their policy get changed. These are also impacting, impacting my friend to run the
Yes.
business. Yeah. So these challenges come. Why not we can do a forecast in advance, right? To learn the challenges. If there is any challenge comes, why not we can adverse effect of risk? Why not we can prepare adequately so that in case any problem happen, we in advance we have to prepare, and that is why we are doing forecasting. Simple, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. Time series forecasting is nothing. This is just an algorithm. This is just a techniques. What it will do, it do forecasting. Regression is also forecasting. Yes or no? Classification is also forecasting. Everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Cart model is also forecasting. So time series is another techniques for forecasting. We are doing time series. Now,
Sir,
why we
one
are doing time series?
question.
Mhm.
Sir, for example, data is not the percentage wise not missing that much, but it's missing for like a period of 4 days. The application data collection application was down, so it was
It will impact.
data is missing for 4 days, and there was a very high fluctuation during that period. So how do we manage this by imputing values?
So
Cases like
you
these.
you can just check with your SME. They will tell you when you say high fluctuation, that means you know that. So some idea you will get from your business. Ask the to business, right? Our role is not to generate a data. So if you know that scenario, what happened, what is the fluctuation there in your operation team or the business, they have any tentative data. Can I put that one? Check them. Take on written, send a mail.
Okay.
If they confirm on mail, please impute it. Otherwise, you can go by your techniques, what
So
you learn.
expert opinion kind of thing will be.
Obviously, but missing data, what I'm trying to say here, missing data you cannot entertain. Simple. How you will get a data? Coordinate with your business, coordinate with the SME, do the imputation, do whatever, but my friend, your data should be in the sequence order. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Now, this is the data, guys. Okay. So we have date and time given. You can see date is given in sequence order by default, because this is I have taken from website. Okay, real-time data. I'll also teach you how you will get the data. We have opening price there. We have high. No, sometimes price value is what is the high, what is the low, what is the closing price, what is the adjustment close, and how many trade volumes there, right? On a daily basis, every day you can see trade volume. So when you have to invest it, Now, if I hide this, and if I take these two data, my friend, and if I'm going here,
Sir, do we get a live data, like if we try to get a live data feed and that will be, is it possible?
sorry,
Live data, sir, live data.
this is live data only, sir.
No, means in a sense like currently is happening and currently we are able to like get the real time
Your
data.
voice is not audible at all. You can either you
Real
put
time.
headphone.
Yeah, real time data.
No, I'm not hearing anything, Mahesh. Guys, others able to hear him?
No,
What
no,
he said?
Sir,
not able.
sir, I think he's trying to ask if we can link the live data with our data set.
Stream data is talking about also.
Oh, this is
Yes,
Yeah,
live
sir.
data
okay.
only. You have
Real
to
time
launch
data.
this.
I think he's on running market. He is asking about.
Yes,
Yeah,
running
stream
market.
data. That is stream data.
So my friend, first my purpose is to teach you this part, then you can implement, you can see whether you can apply the same thing there or not. Okay. So if I directly jump there, maybe we will deviate uh,
Topic.
right? I have to just go in deep dive what is happening and all. So it's better you can focus right now. If you are interested, of course, we discuss that part as well.
The data.
Okay, what is this? What is Robin sent this? Arima model, every data, numerical data. Oh, you have written also. Very good. Very fast. You are brilliant, Robin. All right, perfect. So nothing for me. Please share the data in the chat. Please share the data. Having voice recording last 4 classes. You guys are asking this, so let me share the data set first, guys. By the way, I will share all this thing. I am not sharing because you will not focus on coding then.
Yes.
You will also write it, so the deviation happen. That's why
Can
I'm
you
not shared
upload
it.
this in the drive?
It's better I'm uploading in Drive only.
Sir, how it is different than regression problem?
How it is different from
Regression problem.
regression problem? Have you done any date and time data set? Are you taking date?
No.
Are you taking, sequence data? Tell me.
No, sir. No, sir.
When you are splitting the data, you are randomly picking or going in sequence order?
In regression, random.
Randomly you are selecting?
Yes.
Are you checking autocorrelation? There should not be any autocorrelation.
But there is a feature, sir. There should be a auto correlation between the features, right? In a date time series data.
What do you say?
In a time series data, there should be a correlation between the features, right?
Oh, we'll tell you all this thing. Don't worry. Just wait. Let me import the data set first. Guys, I have uploaded the data set now. I would request everyone, please focus in the data set now. Okay. And anything pertaining to this, please focus and ask question. Otherwise, I will get deviate and probably I will stuck there only. So I have uploaded, my friend. You can download from there. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Sir, in the drive you have uploaded.
Yes. Where you want, by the way? Chat window.
In the drive only.
Drive I have uploaded, no? Okay, guys. Please see this. My target is I wanted to know on a daily basis, the volume, how many volumes is coming and all. Now what I have to do, I'm just writing a code line by line on, and I'm explaining you all this thing, what is the meaning. All right.
Yes, sir.
So there are certain rules, guys. Please tell me. The rule number first, what I said.
Target should be a numerical.
Target should be. So can I say all target variable is numerical value?
Yes.
Matching?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second rule, what I told you?
Sequential.
Data should be in sequence order.
And
Can I say
timestamp.
date and time is timestamp data
Yes,
there?
Yes, sir.
And that would be in the sequence order. You can see
Increasing
Jan,
order.
Fab, this, December.
Yes.
Everything is there in proper format, guys.
Yes.
You can
Yes,
see the last is
No null value.
Data is
yeah. There is a null value.
ascending order.
Ascending order.
No null. You can check here. Do we have any null value?
No.
Sir.
Do we have any null value?
No.
Yeah. Do we have any null value? Do we have any null value here, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, if there is
No
any
null
null
value.
value, that also we can.
You have to handle. I told you, no,
Okay.
you have to impute them. Then only you can start time series forecasting. That is the mantra.
The last
Today,
one is
when I started, I told you 5 mantra, no?
Yes.
So what is the mantra? Can I say all target variable is numerical variable?
Yes, sir.
No category. Second, my data type is correct format. Date and time column is there. Target variable is there, and target variable is number. Can I say there should be no numeric missing data available? Next, data is in sequence format, guys. Date and time in sequence order. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to check whether if you see the data set, do we have trend or not? Trend and seasonality. Let me hide this. And I'm just taking these two. Okay, date and volumes. And I'm just using here. Let me do the forecasting one. Recommendation chart. Okay, let me go this. If you see this, guys, recommendation system, what is your understanding? My dear friend?
Trend is there, sir. The trend is not there. No there.
No trend, no
Trend is
seasonality.
no trend.
No
No trend.
seasonality.
Trend is not there, right?
Seasonality is there, sir. I think.
Seasonality somehow is there, right? You can see this seasonality is there.
Yes, sir.
Something somewhere is there. It's not that it's
Somewhere.
completely
Not
you can ignore
strongly.
it. Somewhere
Not
is there, but yeah, most of the time you can see seasonality there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, but trend, definitely trend is not there.
Not.
Trend I wanted
No.
to see like that or like that.
Yes.
It is coming in the horizontal line. Will you
Yes.
say trend is there? No,
No.
trend there. Okay.
No, sir. No.
No,
Now,
no, sir.
if you see this data, guys, if you see this data, what is your understanding? It's additive or multiplicative model?
Additive.
Additive.
Why not multiplicative? What is difference?
Because there is no drastic change.
Very good,
in the-
excellent. So there is no difference. Multiplicative means if you get this type of graph, right? Multiplicative because of time, huge variance there, right? You can
So
say
that-
then multiplicative there. Here, I'm not finding much variance. I'm not finding much variance. If you get like that, my friend, you can say additive model, no? But if I'm getting like that, you can say drastically change basis the time. So that part also, I will show you the error part. You will get clarity. Okay. When I
That
do the
is stock also,
decomposition.
right, sir? Stock is
Stock.
same.
Same. So there is no multiplicative here. The data is coming in the volume is coming in the just slightly, fluctuations there. All right. Let me import the data set first, guys. I hope till here, my friend, you are with me.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me import the data set. Desktop.
So then, can we say that a trending data will be a multiplicative one?
Can we say, sorry, what you say? Can you repeat again?
A trending data means a data which has a trend. will be a multiplicative one.
No, why you say like that? You have to see the error part. No, I'm showing you that part. See, trending is there or not there, hardly matter. You can see there is no difference there. Even trending is there. That is not much difference if coming. You can say what? It's additive. But drastically you can see the changes. Then you can say multiplicative. No. Understood?
Okay, sir.
I'll do the decomposition. You will get more clarity. A stock price prediction. My dear friend, there are 4 type of component we have. I hope everybody know that. There is a trend, seasonality, cyclicity, and error. Error is nothing. It's a residual, noisy data, irregular data, right? Like earthquake happen, like some catastrophe happen, like, some natural disaster happen, which we don't have control. I cannot do anything, right? You cannot predict that thing. We only predict seasonality and trend. So
sorry to disturb, sir. But actually, this is the time for forecasting, right?
Correct.
And I think I have not done this module, this session, time forecasting. So this trend or this evening, it's little, these terms are new to me. So is it better? Yes.
Manisha, I said that there are lots of candidates, they have not learned. Okay, so you don't worry, you just see how you will perform the time series forecasting. The step by step I'm going to explain you. But next week, maybe within a 2 weeks, you will get a new batch where time series forecasting I will teach, so you can join that batch.
Thank you.
Where I will discuss detail. This is project batch. So in beginning itself I said. Okay. My friend, request everyone, please go on mute if you are not speaking, otherwise it get disturbed. So my friend, what are the package? You can say import operating system, import NumPy as NP, import Panda as PD, import matplotlib.py, plot as PLT, import plotly.offline as py. You can say percent matplotlib inline. You can say here
Seaborn.
sorry,
Seaborn.
import seaborn as
SNS.set.
sns.set.
Warnings.
Import
Warnings.
warnings dot filter, warning filter warnings, and here you can say ignore, and then import or from date time, import date time from pylab, import RC parameter. Okay. One thing also you can do here, py
From Pandas import time series.
dot iteration notebook mode. What you said, sir?
Said from Pandas import time series also.
Panda dot time series. Yeah, that also we can do it. So we can say here from pandas import series.
PSCF or
Then
we need to
from
import it.
NumPy import log. What else, my friend?
So PSCF or SCF we need to import.
So detail for EDA.
Detail. No, I'm not doing that part. I'm focusing in time series, not the other advanced package, automatic package. I'm going line by line so that you will get clarity.
So what
Okay,
is this
what
PyLab?
this is one of the visualization package, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay, RC
So
parameter, it will give very nice visualization. That's why I used it. Okay, whatever required, guys, I will use it then and there. Okay, now just import this. Now you have to import the data. So you can say data frame equal to pd.read underscore csv. Data set data frame dot head. You can say this. Okay, so I'm getting this is the data set, guys. Now I'm importing one package here. You can say from pandas dot time series dot offset import business day. Okay, what is business day, guys? Monday to Friday.
weekdays.
Yeah, only weekday. So this is the package inbuilt there. Now normally when you stack the data, right, time series data, you will take it. You know, if you don't import this package, then it will consider Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Saturday also.
again Monday, Tuesday. You need like that.
No.
If you don't have this data, what happen? It will consider missing data or not?
Weekends also.
Yeah, it will consider weekend missing data, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you don't import this package, what is the techniques you will do? How you will handle the data then?
Impute.
Then my friend, whatever the Friday share value there, okay, share market price there, let's say this is a Friday data. Okay, all data you can copy paste here also and here also. That is manually you have to do it. That is the jugaad you have to do it. Right? Why? Because series has to be read as a daily series from Monday to Sunday. That is why we are importing this package. So what it will do, right? It will only consider Monday to Friday as a weekdays. Right? Hence frequency is defined as a weekday only. I will define the frequency as a weekday. Else, my friend, if you define frequency as 365 days, 365 days, it would be assumed that the exchange was, right, working for all 365 days. But is it true? Exchange is working on
No,
all
sir.
365 days?
No.
Not possible. That is only going Monday to Friday, again Monday to Friday, again Monday to Friday, like that it happened. So you have to utilize this package. Clear why I have used this?
Yes.
Yeah.
So in between there will be a holiday though, so it will be null value.
Ah, very good question. Very good question. Coming, sir. Coming. Very nice. That is what I wanted. Okay. So you have to do this one. Now you can see data frame dot share dot shape. My friend, how many days data given? 251 out of 365 days. Right? 2018 to 2019. 365 days there. But how many days data given? Share market data.
251.
251 means Saturday, Sunday they exclude it. Right?
Yes.
So in a year,
Sir, how about the
365
holidays? Holidays.
holiday I'm coming, sir.
Yeah.
Just focus here right now, this business day, whatever I'm getting it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, my dear friend, you can just see here, if I take this data frame, if I'm taking here data frame date equal to, you can say data frame. One is called date. One is called date. And another is called, let's say I'm saying volume. Okay. How many total volume is there? The trade volume, how many people are doing it. So that part I have to predict it. You can predict opening price also. You can predict closing price also. The volume I'm predicting right now. So you can say this. Now my
We have to
friend.
do one by one.
One by one you have to do it. Okay, whenever you do manual method, always you can go one by one, not all. Now, my friend, date 1 equal to, I'm writing PD dot date range. And how you will write it? What is your start date, guys? Start date equal to, you can see here, what is the start date there? What is the start date there?
15th of
Right, so you have to take 15th, this one data
August.
you can copy and paste here. You can say 8th August, 8th month, 15th August and 2018.
18,
Okay, what is the end date?
19.
So whenever, please remember, whenever you give a business day, you have to end date, you have to give the exact end date. What is exact end date?
14th of August 19.
14th August
14th
2019.
2000.
Now just think about, my friend, if I ask you, if you don't give business day, what date you will put here? End date? Always you can put one day later, because end date, Python by nature, what is Python? A starting date they are taking it, and end date they are not considering.
excluding.
Yeah, they can exclude it. So if you don't give this, please remember, don't make mistake. I have seen people are doing mistakes here. They are no blindly they are going and putting this. So if you give this, then this date, no machine can
Not consider.
not consider. But I'm giving business day, so they will consider the same business day. Okay. Now, what is my frequency, guys? What is frequency? Can I say business day? Business day, no.
Okay.
If I put daily, then what you have to put? Frequency equal to D. Right? That means 365 days they will consider. Then the problem is Saturday, Sunday is not given. But you know that will consider, your machine will consider Saturday, Sunday. So 15, 16, 17, see, then 18, 19, Saturday, Sunday. Again, 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24. Again, 25, 26, Saturday, Sunday. Are you guys with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this again 31. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 means one day is a festival there. That's why they have not taken. You can see 3 days gap. No, 1, 2, 3 is not there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so here 3 days gap there means one festival there. So how I will consider the festival? So first you can see here. If I'm putting this one, you can execute this. Now you can see date 1. My machine is able to read this. My dear friend, are you able to see this? Can I say Saturday, Sunday they are not considering? Machine is able to read 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19 not there. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Again 25, 26 not there. 27 like that it's there. Here again you can see 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 not there. 12, 13, 14 is there. Yes or no?
But 15 is not there. No?
Where, sir?
29, 30, 31.
My dear friend, are you with me this line? What I have done? Why I have given business day? Now my friend asked me, what about the holiday calendar, right? So guys, since it's a
Sir, sir, if you will not put the end date, it will consider the end date will be from today or like.
If I don't give this one.
Yes, sir. End.
Don't give. See what happened. Let me copy paste. These questions you can try, not ask. Okay, you have to try this. Execute this. Happy, my friend? So you have to don't give. You have to give the exact date. So I have given because I have to predict that one. I will give later that how many days I have to predict. Now, my friend, come back to the holiday calendar. My friend, you can say from pandas dot time series dot holiday. Import, you can say US federal holiday. To be very honest, guys, one, I'm not working in Indian company. Okay. Second, I have seen Indian company every year their calendar get changed. So you have to go time series holiday calendar in Google and search the holiday, package. But most of the time we all following the US calendar or UK calendar. Normally, if you guys are also working, You have to follow this. But if you are working in Indian calendar, every year the calendar gets changed. Why? Reason is India is known for festival.
Yes.
Lots of festival there or not, guys? Anybody is following Indian calendar, holiday calendar?
But for the Indian prediction
Hmm.
share market, we need to follow the Indian calendar, right?
You have to follow Indian. So you will go in the there in Google, search Panda time series holiday, import India holiday calendar. Okay, you can see some package and you have to do it. So here this is Apple data set. So I'm just going by US holiday calendar.
Sure.
Okay, but India, whenever you do, guys, as I said, every year I have changed, the calendar gets changed.
Yes.
Sometime the holy day is something, in another something, right? Diwali would be something. But in
Sir.
US holiday calendar, that is fixed. 25th December, that, yes.
Sir, but in India, and the holidays are based on location wise also. So in that
Location wise also, absolutely. The Bangalore holiday there, Delhi no holiday. North, South zone, no, it's happening. Onam is a big festival in south side, but
sir,
if you
But for stock price, it will be a central government holiday, right?
yes, sir, the market holidays are fixed, right, in India, like
but
they are
date is
fixed market
changing
holidays.
sometime it is not fixed, sir. Sometime you will see 3 are
Festival
fixed,
holiday vary.
4 are fixed actually, like 15th August, 26th Jan, 26th November, right? 26th is Republic Day, 25th 15th August is Independence, 26th November is Constitution Day, and 2nd October is
Gandhi's birthday.
Mahatma Gandhi's
All the national holidays,
national
holidays
holidays.
are fixed.
Yeah, these are fixed, but apart from that, other festival like Holi, Diwali, Eid, right? These are the festival gets changed date on every
Okay.
years. So that
Okay,
is what you have to see that and do it. Anyway, that is out of a scope. You can search. Google is there. Any problem happen in calendar and all, you can go Google, search it, and you can use this. So my friend, I'm using US federal holiday calendar. Next, you can say from pandas dot time series dot offset import custom business day. Okay, now custom business day means you have to also consider that particular day everybody wanted to take a holiday, or some instances happen, suddenly some agitation happen, right? You have to close that. So that part also you have to do. So you can say US based, you can say here custom business day.
Sir, can you repeat this custom business day?
Custom business day, I said, sir, because of some personal reason, you have to customize that particular day is the holiday. Okay, nobody will work, or suddenly some agitation happen, right? There is no BCP plan there. So what you do, you can declare. Now the trend is changed, right? Because most of the people are working from home. But just think about a stock, they will not work from home, right? They have to go. So suddenly, because of some reason, it got a stop.
Like COVID.
COVID, because of some something happened, some terrorist attack happened and all. So particular custom day there in this year, so you have to consider that part also. So like that you have to prepare this. So you can say US federal calendar equal to, I'm following here this calendar, there is no other custom day. So in case it is there, you can do it. Now I have to apply this US based, and you can run this. Okay, so custom business day get applied. This is what you have to do. Now my dear friend, you can say date equal to pd dot date
Sir, if you
underscore
wanted
range.
to add the like custom date, so where will we have to add that?
So any particular custom date will come in this, right? So let's say there is particular here, like I have seen 1 2 3 is not there. Maybe 1 2 is a Saturday Sunday, Monday is what reason it is, this which month it is. It's a September, right? It's not October, it's a September. So September, why holiday there? Maybe there are some festival there, or there are some custom, anything. I'm just telling you. So that will also consider that particular day. Machine can consider that is a custom day, or if that is holiday, then they will consider holiday. Understood? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Copy this line. And here, my friend, I will not pass a business day. I will pass a frequency is my friend, not the general. This one, frequency is custom US based model. Yes or no? So apart from Saturday, Sunday, can I say here other leave also get applied, guys?
Holiday.
All
Yes.
other holiday, any
Yes.
custom day they have planned, some
Yes.
incident, some unforeseen situation happen, they consider holiday today. That will also consider now.
Yes.
Go here, do this.
So we will be using date, not the earlier one, date one, right?
We are using this one. See, if you have only business day, you can go and use this one. I told you. If you go by 365 days, you can put frequency equal to day D, and you have to, in data set itself, you have to go and put wherever Saturday, Sunday there, Friday data you can copy paste. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, so like that you have to do it. So date part is clear, my friend, everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now come back. You can say here data frame date, and here I'm creating a timestamp date. Time stamp equal to pd dot data frame parenthesis bracket date column, and then column equal to, can I say column equal to date? Now data frame date dot head. All right, execute this, my friend. This is custom data. Now I have created here, in fact date is already given, but I have created timestamp, which you can see it's similar or not.
Yes.
Everybody, date dot tail, my dear friend. Can I say custom date?
Yes. Format
Same.
only.
Yeah, I've just changed. You can use same. I just teach you in case date format is not there. You have to create your own date. You can do like that as timestamp. You can see whether everything is coming perfectly or not. So in this case, are you getting any variance? Whatever the stamp date time stamp you did it here, whatever you did it, what is the length? This is what I have created. I have not passed the data. 251 I'm getting. And whatever the data set you have, 251 is there. Can I say your date is absolutely right or not by this custom holiday US holiday calendar? Here I have not given any data. I have just given range, no, this to this.
Yes, sir.
So that means it is absolutely right. Share market is going by this date only. So I wanted to check it. Is there any time stamp is missing in between? Understood?
Sir,
Sir, we
even
can do
I
this
have a
number.
doubt. You said that for date range, right? The end is not
not consider if you write
yeah.
D then, but I have not write D here. I have write
Okay.
business day.
Okay, then it will be included.
Then it will include it. That's why I said
Okay.
if you put D, it get
Okay.
excluded. So you have, how you will write? You can write always next day.
Okay.
So
Got
if
it. Thank you.
till 14th to August given, you have to write 15th August. But here I'm using business day, so you can use it. I'm using custom holiday, I'm using it. And see, when I did it, I'm getting exactly same date. Copy paste, head, tail, everything is matching, guys.
So, but in a timestamp, you already put the date column, right? So it will be copied from there.
I've just created a new format. No,
Yeah.
see here I have already checked it. Here I have already checked it, right? Now I'm saying new column, I'm creating it, and here data frame, I'm just taking this date column. So
Format
it's matching. I'm just formatting only changes. So I'm saying timestamp. If you now not write it, no problem. You can go by this date only. But since I have used the word no, you should have timestamp data. That's why I've
Yes.
used it.
Yes.
All my friend, are you with me?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
even if we use frequency as
Yes,
B
sir.
day, we will get 51 like rows, right?
Even you use, sorry?
B day, frequency as B day. Business.
Frequency is business day.
No, above we use B day, right? Frequency.
Here I have used business day, yeah.
So even as per that, we will get 251.
Just check here, no? Length. Are you getting same?
Okay.
Here
No.
260, no?
Yes.
But actual data is 251. Why 251? Because, my dear friend, we have some USA holiday calendar also there. Understood? So if you go by this,
Yes,
it will
sir,
give the wrong answer. Understood?
Sir, this business day can be used only for stock price prediction, is it? Or
Yes, a stock and wherever any corporate data you will handle where operating day is Saturday, Monday to Friday only.
okay.
There you can apply this approach.
Okay.
All my friend, are you with me?
Sales prediction everywhere is using it.
Everywhere, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Except the government, Indian government, because Saturday, most of the 2 Saturday is opening, right? In Indian bank and other stuff.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So there you don't apply this one. That's why I said no. Indian is little clumsy. You have to give more deep dive and then you have to perform it. But here, guys, are you clear why I'm not going by business
Yes,
day? Why I'm going by
sir.
USA calendar? Because actually data is 251 days only. Why? Because there are 10 USA holiday also there. So that also we have extract and then I'm getting that one. And that I have applied.
So sir, basically first we have to check the original shape. Then as per the shape, we have to check the whether it's holiday or business day.
Absolutely right. That's why I'm doing, sir. Understood?
Yes.
When you do the real time job, you will do follow the same approach, my friend. Okay.
Sure.
Next part, guys, let me enjoy with the data set. You can say RC parameter, caps bracket, you can say figure dot fig size equal to 15,8 plt dot plot data frame date, and here pick timestamp, comma, data frame date, and my frame take volume.
Volume.
Now go here, say plt dot grid, execute this. Tell me, guys, if you see this data, what happened? What is your understanding? If you see this data, what is your understanding? Trend is there.
No, sir.
Can I say no,
No.
trend?
No.
Seasonality?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
to be very honest, not every month
Strong.
a strong
But
seasonality, but a seasonality is there. You know, we are getting some guts feeling that yes, there
Mm.
are slightly seasonality there.
in
Yes or
between
no,
of
my friend?
Winter.
19.5, 3 months
That is
down.
in winter it is.
Yeah, winter, something like that. There, that I will check, by the way, don't worry.
3 months is up and 4 months is down.
So seasonality I can see, guys. All right. Next part, my friend. What we have to do here, I'm just writing, I'm saying here, data frame date dot describe. Okay, can just describe it. So that much count there, mean value, standard deviation, minimum 25th percentile, 50. This is just a simple intuition they are giving it. You need not to worry. Let me create a data set here. I'm saying data frame. Okay. So are you clear? No, what I have done it. Can I pick the original data, guys, now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm saying data frame final equal to. This is just a basic things you have to check it, guys. No, the thumb rule I told you. So for that you have to check all these things. It's coming properly or not. Now I don't need this. I need all the variable. Do you need only these two variable, or I need all the variable?
No,
This
sir. All variable.
all variable, right? So you can copy this and say here again. You can say data frame.
Sir,
PD
but
dot.
to check seasonality, wouldn't it be better if we had like no?
We'll check, sir. We'll check. Now I'm picking all data. No, I'm going to do that thing only. This is just a basic things I told you. Whenever you get a data set, how you will justify, how you can say whether my date and time is coming proper format or not. What is the business day? What is the calendar they have taken? All these things you have to analyze
But
it.
we have only 1 year's data, right?
I have taken only 1 year. You will get 5 years, sir.
Okay.
I'm just teaching you this method. I will tell you how you will get the original data and you can replicate. Will you not replicate?
Yeah.
If you
Yes,
do
sir.
1 year, you will not able to do 5 years.
We can do that.
You can do it, no? And I'm doing one, share value. You will not do other stock price.
Can do.
Tell me,
We'll
my
do,
friend.
sir. Yes, we will.
Yeah,
Yes, sir,
then why
yes.
you worry? Then, my friend, you can say pd.read CSV. Here, my friend, you can say parse date. What is meaning of parse date, guys? Anybody? Equal to true. What is meaning of parse date?
It will sort it in the datetime format.
Parse date means we are reading the data as a time series data. Will you remember what is meaning of parse date?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a time series data. Next, guys, I'm saying SQs. What is meaning of SQs? Equal to true. What is meaning of this, guys? It means your index value will, the index column considered as a series format, ascending order format, guys. Are you with me? My dear friend, whenever you handle the time series forecasting, your date stamp is nothing, it's an index value. Yes or no? And
Yes,
this
sir.
index basis, you will predict what is the volume, what is the opening price, what is the closing price, all these things you will do it. So every time, that's why I said no, date is mandatory. You have to have a date. Why? Because I wanted to convert as an index. So I'm saying SQ is equal to true. Do you want to change date as an index value? Yes, I wanted to do it. Are you clear what is meaning of SQ?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Everybody?
No,
Yes.
sir.
No. See how honest my friend are. Ma'am, I said whenever you handle time series forecasting, you predict volume basis time only. Basis time only. Can I say this is what your prediction here? Can I say what is your prediction? If I ask you what is your prediction, what you will do? Will you say this is what my prediction is?
Yes.
This is what my prediction is. These are the prediction. Yes or no? These are the prediction.
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
This prediction, how you are doing prediction? Can I say basis the time?
Yes.
Basis the time stamp you are predicting it?
Yes, sir.
So time should be in the index format. How you will?
Okay,
So
sir.
that is why I'm saying SQ is equal to true, means yes, I wanted to transform my data as an index value. Now, what
Yes,
is your
sir.
index column? What is your index
Date time.
column?
Date time.
Date time. Come on.
Thanks,
What
sir.
is your index column?
Time.
Here, date is which column? Zero index. No.
Yes, 0.
Zero.
Index column is zero. If date is
Zero,
here,
zero.
then what you will do? In this data set, my friend, if my date is here, then what you will do? What you will write here? Index column equal to? Just think about if my date is given here, my dear friend, what you will do? Please tell me. Please
Index
tell
0.
me, my dear friend.
Index
Not
0.
Zero.
1 minute, 1 minute. Control X. Let me check how good knowledge you have. Now tell me, what is your index number, guys?
-1.
You can say, no, index number, you don't give -1. You can say, this is 0.
7.
Missing value
7.
will also
6.
consider. Please remember, in the data set, missing value column is there, then that also considered as 0 column. So
Index
0,
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to write 7. But in this data set, what we have?
One extra.
We
Missing
have
value.
0 column. So can I say
0.
index equal to 0?
Yeah.
All
Yes.
my dear friend, tell me yes, no. This part you
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Now how you will import the data going forward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Execute this. Now this is your final data, and here onwards, I'm playing with this. Basic foundation clear. Can I say date column coming as an index column?
Yes, yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Excellent.
sir.
Yes.
Next part, my friend, you can say info. How the information looks like. We have total 250. One,
entities.
entries there. Here, the date is from this to this. Total they are capturing. High volume float, integer. All are number or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
Memory
are
value.
number or not, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Now, if I write this one, can I say my dear friend? Can I say my friend? Are you with me or not? Are you with me or not? If I say data frame, final dot plot, tell me, are you clear the visualization part?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if I copy this line, and if I do this one, my dear friend, and here I say data frame, and dot volume, are you able to understand? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Sir, when we are doing data frame final plot dot plot, why are we not getting the other data specific?
Other data in the sense?
It's actually on the 0 axis, right?
Huh.
Because the value is that low. Is that?
Yeah, that is very low.
price?
That's why it's not coming. Opening
Yeah.
high, other thing is not coming. So the
That's
volume is coming.
price. So,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Now you can see the volume here, guys. Please tell me, can I say clearly trend is not there, guys?
No.
If trend
Yes,
is not there, will you build ARIMA model? Or
No.
you will build Sarima model?
Sarima.
Why Sarima? Because seasonality there. Sarima means, guys, simply you can read. Who is new, guys, my friend? ARIMA stand
sir.
for auto-regressive. Auto-regressive. It's a world famous model. It came in 1970 itself. Very world famous model, guys. Auto-regressive integrated moving average.
Moving average.
And if there is no trend, then you can say Sarima. Seasonality, auto-regressive integrated moving average with external factor. You can say Sarima external factor. Means the price, the volume is not only depend on, the price, share market price is not only depend on how many traders there, but also the opening balance, also the closing balance, also the high, low, medium, adjusted, some other factor also there. That is called external factor. Clear, my friend?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
So
Good.
there is a season, that's why we are using Sarima, right?
There is a seasonality there. That's why we are using Sarima. I have not started. I'm just telling you the high level things. Okay, I will use it. I'll tell you that part. Are you guys with me, my friend?
Yes, sir.
Sir, if there is no
Yes,
trend
sir.
and no seasonality,
Then you have to use regressive model.
Oh,
Simple
sorry.
average model. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here, my friend, I will go by Sarima. Now, one more visualization, you can do it. One more visualization. to get more clarity, you can do a decomposition. Decomposition. So you have to say from stats models dot time series analysis dot seasonal import seasonal decompose. All right. And here, my friend, you can say decomposition equal to seasonal decomposition, parenthesis bracket, and copy paste this one. Copy paste this one. Okay. And my friend, let's say I'm saying period equal to 12 months.
12 months.
And then decomposition dot plot. Okay. And then plt dot show. Just do this. You will get full clarity here. You will get full clarity here, my friend. See this. This is my original data. If you see the trend, guys, if you see the trend, are you able to see somewhere I can see upward, but keep fluctuating or not? Will you say trend is there? Very poor, pathetic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Seasonality, are you able to see that or not? There is a pattern there or not? Here, are you getting clarity or not, guys?
Yes, pattern is there.
Yes.
Clear pattern? This data, additive or
Yes.
multiplicative?
Still
Additive or multiplicative?
Additive.
Yeah, these are error, right?
Additive.
Additive, right? You
Additive.
can see here this original data. If you see that, not much variance, right? It's coming in this fluctuate. So you can see the data set, you will understand. See, visualization has a big role, guys, in time series forecasting. That will give you a very nice intuition. Now,
So one thing, I mean, I'm not able to understand this seasonality thing. Does it have to do with time series specifically? Because I mean, we have not done that yet.
Sir, I told you in beginning itself that you have to remember these names.
Okay.
But time series forecasting has 4 components, sir. One is called trend. Trend means long term. Okay. Long term means more than 1 year. More than 1 year data there, then you can say trend there. Okay. How you know that? If there is a upward trend there, if it is going like that, or it is going like that, downward trend. So you can say trend is there. This is either upward or downward. Here, what happened? What happened, my friend?
Flat.
Certain I'm getting, but again, can I say flat? This is the ideal scenario. If you draw a line, will you draw a linear line or you will draw average line?
So we take the mid part, right?
Not mid part.
Yeah,
Mid
the
part
average
also
part.
you will go. Then how you will go? It's a average
No,
line is the best line.
average
No,
part. Huh?
even I can take here. Then still you are getting linear line.
No.
Not getting. No. So we can say trend is not there. Are you clear, my friend? Second part is called seasonal. Seasonal means short term, guys. Seasonality means short term goal. What is
Within
meaning
a
of
year.
short term?
Within a year.
Maximum year, 1 year. So 1 year you can 12 month. Okay, you have to see the pattern. Which month we are getting more or less or like that. Like AC sale value. If you have a seasonality knowledge, then you can say no, winter season nobody will buy the AC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, summer season only AC will people buy. Winter season you have to buy. You can take woolen cloth and all. Yes or no, my friend?
Yes.
Other is called cyclicity. Cyclicity looks like exactly like seasonality, but this is more than 1 year. More than 1 year. So if you see cyclicity, that also looks like that only pattern. But this is more than. Why? Because once in a blue moon, some incident happen like recession. Do you know when recession comes? If I ask you when recession will come next, will you predict?
No.
Will you say 2025 definitely recession will come? Modi government will go. Recession will come. Will you say? Just tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not possible. So we cannot predict cyclicity, my dear friend.
But sir, one thing actually, suppose a football match or any World Cup, It's coming in after 4 years. So that is also cyclic, right? After 4 years, it's affecting the sales and all.
That
Suppose
is
that.
cyclic. Cyclic means you know or you don't know. You know,
No,
then
no,
how cyclic? I don't know.
cyclic
No.
because
Cyclic is
yes,
not that cyclic. The
yes.
quarterly or yearly or 4 yearly.
No,
No,
no.
not that
Yeah.
cyclic.
Okay.
Cyclic means I don't know when recession comes.
Shock kind of, right?
It's a kind of error. Similarly, other is called irregular. Irregular is called noisy or random. These data I don't know, like earthquake, disaster, terrorist attack. Do you have any control? You know when it happened. Will you predict this, guys?
No, sir.
Yeah. So these part we only predict this part, and accordingly we have to perform. If there is no trend, no seasonality, go by regression model. Now here the data set also you have to check. In regression, if you guys have learned linear regression, did you remember? There is a assumption there called there should not be any autocorrelation. Did you remember? For that we are doing Darwin-Watson test.
Yes, sir.
Darwin-Watson test. Everybody, the range is between 0 to 4. If the Darwin-Watson test value 2, that means there is no autocorrelation. Less than 2, positive autocorrelation. More than 2, negative autocorrelation.
Negative.
So you have to check, do we have any autocorrelation there in this data set or not? Is it really time series forecasting data or is it something else? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Do this. You can say from stats models dot API as SM. Okay, you have to import this package and then you have to pass the data set, right? What you want to predict. You can say SM dot stats dot Darwin Watson parenthesis bracket and copy paste. Yes or no, my friend?
Yes.
Is that
What is the
import
value?
start model start API as SM?
Import. Okay. What is the value coming, my friend?
0.13. 0.13.
Typical regress class time series forecasting problem or not?
Yeah, correlate.
Typical time series. You cannot build regression problem here if you are getting 0.13. If you have attended my session linear regression, I have discussed in detail. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How you will check it, all this thing. What is autocorrelation and all. Now, come back to the data set again. Do some visualization. You can say plot the box plot of the open variable with respect to the different years or different month. You can say, rather I can say year, you can say different, or let me take years. Month also I will go. Now my dear friend, what I'm going to do here, I'm saying SNS dot box plot x equal to, can I write data frame final dot index year, y equal to, my dear friend, data frame final, and here let's say I'm taking open value. Now please tell me, grid, please tell me, my dear friend, what happened? Why it's not coming? Data frame object no attributes called index year. Index year not taking. Okay, see guys, my dear friend, if you see that, what is your understanding? Which year more opening price there, 2018 or 19?
2018.
Clear visibility you are getting. 2018 the price was up, 2019 the price was low.
Wrong. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can check entire data, right? You can say, very nice intuition, my friend. You can say plot the box plot of the, someone is disturbing. Guys, can you please go on mute? Patil. Nobody is listening, just joining. The recording is there. We'll watch later. Till then, I will disturb. It normally happen, no? Variable with respect to months of different. My dear friend, I'm going month wise now. So you can say sns.boxplot, parenthesis bracket, x equal to data frame final report dot index and dot month name, and then y equal to data frame dot final, and here you can say open. Next part you can say plt dot grid. Just see this visualization, my dear friend. What is your understanding? It has start with August. Why? Because
August.
data is there from August onwards.
Yes,
Data is actually from August, right? 15th August. So that's why it is started with August. September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July.
September is high.
Now, guys, please participate. I'm asking certain question. Which month you wanted to buy share value? If you invest the money, which value?
January.
January. Very good.
And
Which
February,
month?
both are
Which
good.
month you will sell the stock value?
September, October.
September.
September
And October.
Yeah,
October.
so that you can see the pattern, right? That month the price is very high. You are ready to sell. See, like that you have to play, guys. Now,
Can you show the
which
code part around there?
code I have just mentioned here, month. You can do in Excel also. If you get confused, you have to write here month. How you will do it? You can say month.
Go to month.
And just copy this line. You will get the month only, my friend. Yes or no?
The actual stock market trend also, this is graph, right?
Yeah. This is actual data only. It's not fake data. Please remember, I have taken from actual source.
Yes, sir. I mean, in the applications, right? Mobile application, we see.
Yeah. Correct. Guys, please concentrate. Which month you will buy the share? Jan month. Everybody agree?
Jan.
Yes,
Which
yes.
month you will sell?
October,
September,
September.
October.
Which month you will not buy, not sell? Which month you will do it?
March.
March you will not buy.
December.
September, October will not buy.
September, October you will not, because
September,
the
October.
price is very high. Okay. What about June and July, guys? June and July?
Average.
Can I say uncertain? We are uncertain. You can see prices. Which this June and July will you buy or will you sell?
No.
Selling also you will not do. No dip. Here you can see outlier. So wherever outlier there, don't take risk. No buy, no sell. Please remember this. This is the insight is giving. My friend, that's why seasonality is very, very significant part you have to do. Now, frequency is what, guys? Tell me, what is frequency?
Up in August, it's slowly up, and September, October is the top peak, and January is down. Then again it's up after January.
So what
So
is
12,
frequency?
12?
Equal to how many? 12?
Yeah.
No, 12 months there, no? Frequency, how many you will take? If you say 12, then 12 means what? How you will go it? Don't go 12 month I have taken only, no?
2 frequencies, sir.
2 frequency only. How?
5
Let me see.
months.
Jan and Feb.
Up and down.
From August
Again Jan
to
and Feb.
January.
Up and up.
January.
Here
Up.
no up.
Right.
Here no up.
Flat.
Then again, see, no up, no up. No, 2 is not correct. What else?
1.
What else? Come on, tell me. 1.
Four
What?
Is it 4?
4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then
Yes.
here, is it matching? 4 is also not correct. I think
Only
6. Okay, 6. Let me see.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is absolute here. 1, 2. Then again this and dip. Will you go by 6?
3.
True.
Can I say 5, guys? You can see here 4 time continuously increasing and then constant. Here again increase, increase, increase,
yes,
increase,
sir.
and constant.
Fine.
Okay,
Sir, how
after
we are
July, that
considering
is
to
August,
consume?
right? Got it.
Hmm?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say 5 is okay, guys?
5 is okay.
Okay.
Yes.
That is what I can see that, right? Now my next
Sir,
question
in
is, guys,
January we have to buy,
my
right?
next question is, January you have to buy because
But
cost is
here,
very less.
here in January also there is outliers.
Outlier is there, but what is this is the list value, no? So even you can buy, the price is maximum will go here. Is there any much impact?
No.
But here if you go, you don't know, right? So Jan is safer side. Now which month? Chalo, you can consider outlier there. I will not take risk Jan also. Okay. Let me Jan, June, July. I'm getting a visibility outlier there. I will not take charge. Which month is the stable month where you are ready to buy, ready to sell? Which month is ideal month, guys? November is stable. Very good.
May.
November.
April.
May is also okay. Yeah, very good.
May.
Which is one value is the very nice value where
February.
Fab is the nice. See, guys, is there any difference? Even you can sell or buy
And
anything, you can fluctuate it. How much
average
loss
is
happen?
exact over there, right?
Very less or not? Can I say this is average? Also, you can see the median value.
Average.
In a bit in between.
Here I can see some bit is going upside.
High.
Here is
High.
again. This is okay. April is okay.
April is okay.
Right? May is also okay. You can buy it because price
June
is lesser
also.
side.
June
Right?
also.
Here, this is also November is also fine.
June.
Yeah. June is where? June is June. June is outlier. I will not take risk. No.
Yeah, outlier.
June and March. March is but little up there. But yes,
Little
March
up.
is also fine. It's not big deal. But I'm saying one. If you ask me, Fab definitely I can
go for that.
I'm not interested. I will sell my. Give me the no benefit, no loss. I will go somewhere else. I need money.
So in
That's
this
it.
in December we can buy or we can sell because the price.
December also you can buy and sell.
Yes.
See median value, and there is no outlier, so it's okay. November also you can buy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
But
These
higher
are the
is the 220.
higher is there,
That's
so
true.
you have to just think. Yeah, you can if you want to sell also, you will get some benefit. Yeah.
Yes.
These are a stable month, but this one you can say I will sell this day, this month, right? So these are the visualization you have to find it, guys. That will give you insight, my friend. Everybody, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, here stabilize means our median should be in the median and mean will be equal, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Normal dip.
Now, my dear friend, can I say it's a typical time series forecasting data? I have seen the Darwin Watson test. This
Yes, sir.
clarity also you got it. How many months I have to take? Everyone.
Yes,
So let me go here, copy this part, and can I correct this one, my dear friend? Can I correct this one? Can I write here period equal to 5? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody. And my friend, can I use the model equal to ADT model? Model equal to ADT model? Yes or no? Yeah? Go ahead, do this. Tell me your understanding, guys.
Additive means
ADT means your volume is not fluctuating too much. It's a stable. Okay. Okay. Multiplicative means fluctuating. You can see this is what my additive value is coming. Now you are getting better result or not, guys, when I have taken 5 months volume?
Yes.
Yeah. Seasonality, anybody can see. Even kids also, fifth standard, they can say yes, seasonality there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Error is also in additive format. Let me take the multiplicative. What happened? If I put multiplicative, what happened, guys? If I write here multiplicative, come on. My friend, did you see any variance?
The season.
Not a much.
No, sir.
Yeah. So actually
Lots of
this is
errors.
not,
Season.
and actually speaking, no, you can say this is additive problem. So you have to check here. Also you can put and you can see how the variance is coming. Now, my dear friend, what we have to do, you can say series is actually additive. Okay, you can say, so series is additive. Yes or no?
So multiplicative where drastic change up and down, right?
Then drastically change, then only you can say multiplicative, but I'm not seeing it. No, original data you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
see,
No.
even you put it, what
Yes.
maximum variance is coming.
So,
Yeah, not much variance, I can see that. Okay.
so, sir, actually, I'm really not able to understand the reason behind taking the period equals to 5. Like, why we are taking the period only 5.
I
The
told you, no,
logic
ma'am, here,
actually.
see.
Yes, sir. But
You can start with Jan.
yeah.
You can start with Jan.
Yes.
Jan month is my base
Yeah.
base month. Second
Yes.
Feb increase. March price get increase. April price get increase. And then
Yes.
stable. Can I say stable?
Yes.
Next month you can take from June. July
Yeah.
increase.
Okay.
August
Yes.
increase.
Got it, sir.
September and then stable. If I
Yes.
say, can I go by 6? What happened then? Just think about 6.
Yeah.
6 will not come. You can see here. 4
So it
continuously
may
month
even count.
and this.
So it may even count, I think. If
No,
we
just
go
see here.
from
No,
June.
if I
Yeah.
say 6 month, what happened? 4 month increase and then
Yeah.
same.
Right.
Again you can
Yeah.
go. 2 month, 3 months increase,
2 months increase
then
and
decrease. Will you go by
okay.
6?
Okay. No.
I will not go. 4, if you go 4, then what happened? 4 month continuously increase. Now what happened? Stable. And this. Again 2, don. Will you go by 4?
No.
5,
Okay.
4 continuously
Right.
and then
Yes.
stable.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 continuously stable.
Right.
Will go like that?
Yes.
Can I say
Okay,
5 is
sir.
okay?
Yes.
That
Yes.
is why I have taken 5.
Okay. And also, sir, the graphs, which one is showing which one? Like the first graph is the actual data, right? Like there are 4 graphs we are having there. So
Which
yeah.
one? This is the actual one. This is
Yeah.
trend. I wanted to see, do we have trend or not? Clearly I can see no trend.
Okay.
Do we have
Okay.
seasonality or not? Clearly I can see seasonality there.
Yeah.
And noisy data, residual data there. Yes, there
Okay.
is a
This is the
noisy also.
error one.
This is
Okay.
the error one.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
I have found this one. You can say decomposition. Let me use the additive model. Okay. Again, I'm running here.
Sir.
Additive. Copy this. Yes, brother.
Sir.
Go ahead.
Sir,
Go
instead
ahead,
of
my
using one
friend.
name, sir, if we're not using the one name, instead we use the day wise, then there will be more periods. Like
I didn't understand your
Will
question.
be
What you said?
difficult to
Sorry.
understand.
He's
like
saying that
instead
day
of
wise if you'll go.
Oh, day wise.
this,
You can go, but problem, sir. Will you copy paste every Saturday, Sunday? You will take. You will create one column. That is not there.
Yep.
No, it's a stock market data. So a stock
Weekend
market
also,
operates
no?
only Monday to Friday. Tell me yes or no. A stock market predict only Monday to Friday, only operates. Now Saturday, Sunday not there. If you go by day wise time series, you will get missing data or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So every time you have to go copy paste, more clumsy task or not. Do you want to do, then do it. Who is stopping you? I like it. You can do. At least you will get hands on also, no? My friend, are you clear? Not clear till here. So I'm saying trend
Yes, sir.
decomposition dot trend. Similarly, seasonality equal to decomposition dot seasonal. Similarly, residual error. Decomposition dot residual.
Residual.
You get this, then you can say print trend. N new line. You can say here trend dot head, let's say 12 months, and then new line.
Error is less from the graph.
Copy this, paste here, paste here. Say seasonality. Say seasonality dot head residual head and execute this. Guys, this is the seasonal value, trend value. This is the seasonality value. This is the residual value. How calculation happened? For that, my friend, for that, you have to wait my session in the class. Okay. When I will discuss, will explain you all this thing. What is the formula? How you can calculate all this thing.
Sir,
okay.
So there's a
Will you
residual.
only take
There's a less residual, right? Error is very less, right?
Error is very less, not too high.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see very less. This
Yes.
data you have to check. So all is mostly
On
no
the
straight
line.
line is coming. Don't look the outlier. Outlier is very
Outlier.
less. No, only
Yes,
one or
sir.
two is there, but mostly data is very less. Additive.
Linear.
Right. So no need to worry about this. My dear friend, till here, did you understand how I calculated the trend, seasonality, residual
Yes, sir.
value?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Decomposition dot trend, decomposition dot seasonal, decomposition dot residual.
Residual.
Understood? What is the
Yes, sir.
maths? We'll discuss in detail in class. Okay. Till
So
here,
what are
are
the
you with me?
yeah
What is
what are the sessions you are taking apart from this project session? Like maybe
you are attending my first session?
currently. No, sir. Currently, like apart from this, what are the courses or like classes? Sorry, the modules you are taking.
Deep
I just want
learning.
to know.
Deep learning.
Deep learning. Okay. So do you take ML
Madam,
also?
deep learning. Okay. Advanced AI.
Sir, when your advanced AI batch is starting in
ML,
September?
September first week.
Okay.
2023 ML 2 batch is going to complete ML in the next week. So I'm in the last already. Supervised machine learning completed.
So I can
stats.
attend the recording session.
You can go ask Simran to give you the recording and all. Very deep
sir.
dive I taught them. Nowhere you will
Yeah.
find. You can go and watch it.
And sir, are you done with deep learning?
Learning, you will get more videos.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
this is my first session.
And the status said why we are taking that volume, sir.
Sorry.
In the status said why we are taking that volume.
Volume is the main, no? How many traders happen? That is what as a company you will look or no, not?
It's like dependent variable, independent. That's kind.
The price
So
is
one
there, but
prediction
in this
only.
company, if one of the prediction there, if you are working employees there, what is matters for me? Volume matters or not?
Yeah, yes.
How many
right.
customers are there? Main target is volume only. How many customer purchase my stock? Yes or no?
Main point. Okay. Yes.
Main point is this. Opening, closing, that is secondary, tertiary, tetra, penta, hexa. Primary is
Okay.
volume only. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Volume of a
The
stock
stock
to
is
be
a common for
traded.
all, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Guys,
No, it's clear.
now it's already 10:27. Can I save this code in your drive? Tomorrow when you
Yes, sir.
connect, you have to
Yes,
practice
sir.
this. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. And then I will
Yes,
go
sir.
in
Yeah,
deep
sure.
dive. Believe me,
Yes.
so many things I'm going to discuss, my friend. I have full sympathy and empathy with you. Reason, some of them have learned time series, they know very well. Some of them, they are new, right? Who already learned time series, for them also it's a new thing. Because I have
Yes,
picked
sir.
the completely new approach. This data, normally I'm going by LSTM model, long short term memory model, deep learning model. But today I'm going by this method so that I can go in more deep dive, granular level, to explain you how you can do it. So for them, everybody will get benefited. But who is new, don't lose your patience, guys. You will learn in the class very detailed. Here you will get
Okay.
some glimpse. All right.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a
Yes.
question.
That's it. You have a question, please, sir. Question always
Yeah,
entertaining
for
and
this stock,
appreciated.
particular stock, we can also do this manually, right? Like,
Manually only I'm doing, sir. It's a manual approach. I'm
like
not
we
doing
can,
automation approach.
like,
Automation is
if
deep learning. Automation is Dart model. Of automation is Facebook Profit. I'm using Arima, Sarima.
yeah, I'm talking about like why the stock market is high during September and March, right? During
Hmm.
those time only, Apple will release a new products. For that reason,
Correct.
for that
That is
reason,
the, yeah, absolutely. That's the reason there. So domain
yeah.
knowledge also, product knowledge is also required.
And there is exactly 6 months gap between them, and there is a V-shaped recovery also at that time.
Correct. Good. Anybody is working in this company, guys, or for that matter, Apple, Samsung?
No, I just have an iPhone, so I know about that.
You
Some
know that this. Okay, good. So my friend, I have uploaded here the code. Okay, please practice it. Tomorrow when we connect, we'll go more deeper. And our target, our focus is I have to predict Arima X, Sarima X, right? With or without exogenous. And then I will say which model is the best. And my target is AIC, Echaic information criteria, and RMSC. RMSC for model prediction, evaluation. AIC means parameter, which is the best P, best Q, best D value. I will go some interesting things. We'll do it, which you will see tomorrow, guys. So that's it for today. Thank you very much all. Bye and take care.